Hello, today I will tell you how to create popular NFT pixel art the right way and fast. First, you need to create file in Photoshop. And after that, we need to go to image and change size. We need 25 by 25 pixels. And now need to go to Edit tab and select Preferences and choose Guides, Grid and Slides. Choose Guides and in Guideline Area set it to 25 by 25 pixels too. And now go to Wave tab and select Show and Grid. Now fill background with some color. And choose Pencil tool. Set brush size to 1 pixel. We take black or some other color for the outline and start drawing character outline. Choose some color again and draw bandana. You can draw any other headless or hair or something else as your fantasy will play. Choose color again and draw light part of bandana. We take color of character outline again and draw glasses. Select color for character skin and make fill characters. Again, choose color of outline and draw character's mouth. And choose color for nose and draw nose. You can specify any other size and, for example, fill not 1 pixel at a time, but 2 or 4 or some other amount at your discretion. This is just example. That's all. Have a good day and take care.